From the icy landscapes of Alaska to the vibrant shores of Argentina, a road of epic proportions spans across the Americas, connecting diverse cultures and breathtaking landscapes. Welcome to PanAmerican Highway, a mesmerizing journey that stretches over 19,000 miles. In this captivating video, we will embark on an unforgettable adventure, tracing the footsteps of explorers, adventurers, and dreamers who dared to conquer the vastness of the Americas. Join us as we traverse through rugged terrains, cross towering mountain ranges, and navigate endless stretches of open road. The Pan-American Highway is more than just a road. It is a symbol of unity, connecting the people of North, Central, and South America. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a feat of engineering that spans multiple countries and cultures, binding them together in a shared experience. So fasten your seatbelts, open your mind, and get ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. This is the Pan-American Highway, a road that connects continents and captures the essence of Americas. Let's the journey begin. The Pan-American Highway is a vast network of roads that spans across the Americas, covering a total length of approximately 30,000 kilometers, which is approximately 19,000 miles. With the exception of a 106-kilometer stretch of land between the northwest Colombia and southeast Panama, known as the Darién Gap, this highway system links early all the Pacific coastal countries in a connected road network. The Guinness World Records recognizes it as the world's longest motorable road. However, crossing from South America to the Central America requires a challenging and hazardous hike through the Darién Gap, which is one of the wettest area on the planet and takes at least 4 days to complete. The Pan-American Highway traverses through a wide range of climatic and ecological zones, including dense jungles, arid deserts, and barren tundra, with some areas only possible during the dry season. The highway system is nearly complete and stretches de facto from Prudhoe Bay, Alaska in North America to the southernmost regions of the South America, although there are several claimed endpoints in the south, such as Puerto Montt and Colon in Chile. Beyond the Darién Gap, this road is also referred to as the Inter-American Highway in Central America and Mexico, where it branches off into various spurs leading to the Mexico-United States border. The idea for a roadway spanning the Americas was first proposed in the early 20th century. The idea gained traction during the 1920s when the governments of the United States, Mexico, and several Central American countries formed the Pan-American Highway Congress to promote the construction of a highway that would connect North and South America. The construction of the highway was a challenging undertaking, as it required the cooperation of multiple governments, the overcoming of geographic obstacles, and the creation of infrastructure in underdeveloped areas. Over the years, various sections of the highway have been improved and expanded, with some portions being replaced entirely by new roads. However, the completion of Darién Gap has remained a significant challenge due to its remote location and rugged terrain, as well as environmental and political concerns. Today, the Pan-American Highway is a vital transportation route that serves as a lifeline for communities throughout the Americas, facilitating trade, tourism, and cultural exchange. Despite its challenges and limitations, the highway remains a remarkable achievement of international cooperation and engineering ingenuity. The Pan-American Highway has helped to solve several problems in the America, including improved transportation. The highway system has provided a reliable and efficient means of transportation, linked many countries, and made it easier for people to travel across the continent. The second is economic development. The highway has helped to boost economic development in many regions, particularly in Mexico and Central America. It has facilitated the movement of goods and people, created jobs, and stimulated trade and commerce. The third one is infrastructure development. The construction of the highway has led to the development of infrastructure such as bridges, tunnels, and road networks, which has improved access to remote areas and made it easier for people to travel and transport goods. The last one is international cooperation. The creation of Pan-American Highway required cooperation and collaboration between different countries, promoting goodwill and cooperation across the continent. The benefits of the Pan American Highway includes it connects two continents, north to south, stretching 19,000 miles from Alaska to the tip of Argentina. It provides a diverse overland route for adventure riders, offering diverse landscapes and climates. Listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the longest motorable road in the world. The next benefit is it facilitates transportation and trade between the countries it passes through. It passes through many diverse climates and ecological types, from dense jungles to arid deserts. The highway also provides an opportunity for a long road trip, taking anywhere from 9 months to 2 years. It helps to link major industrial regions across the continents. The key components of Pan American Highway include number 1, North American section. The highway starts in Prude Bay, Alaska and goes southward towards the US-Mexico border. The second one is Central American section. This section of the highway begins at the Mexico-Guatemala border and goes through 7 Central American countries, which is Guatemala, Salvador, Honduras, Costa Rica, Panama, and Belize. The next one is South American section. The South American section begins at the border of Panama and Colombia and goes through 9 countries, which is Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, and Brazil. The next key component is the Darién Gap. This is a dense jungle region that spans the border of Panama and Colombia, and there is no road connection between the North and South American sections of the highway due to this gap. Bridges and tunnels. The Pan American Highway includes many bridges and tunnels, some of which are notable engineering feats. The next key element is its maintenance. Regular maintenance is necessary for highway due to its length and varying conditions across different regions. This includes repairing damage caused by natural disasters such as earthquakes and hurricanes, and ensuring road safety for the travelers. The last key element is customs and border crossing. Due to the highway passing through 15 countries, there are many custom and border crossings that require proper documentation and inspection of goods and people. As per one source, the estimated cost of building all-weather roads on the remaining stretches of the Pan American Highway from Mexico to Panama was around $55 million. So how much does it cost to travel on Pan American Highway? People who already drove the Pan American Highway report anything from $40 to $150 per day, but most of them agree on approximately $80 per day. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.